It's the Sunday Burlington store. Hurry in to Burlington for the 3 days of raining. Dresses, shorts, pants, and tees for everyone. Plus, the swimsuits and sandals too. But a bright style for everyone. All dressed in
about him, and vice versa.
And here comes Blaney. Blaney is now the best car on the track.
Oh, baby, I'm telling you, Kurt Busch is not going to give up the win.
No, he's not. They'll be coming to the white flag this time. Ricky Craven's not going to give up either.
Come on, Ricky.
He gets that run on the high side right there. Kurt Busch is like he's struggling with his race car.
Here he comes. Here we go again. He's going to wait on this. He's going to put the crossover on it. He realized that wasn't a good move that last time.
White flag.
Here he goes. He's going to try to slide under him here. Come on, baby.
And Blaney's coming. Both these cars are driving terrible right now. Not a lap to go.
Nah, they're driving good. Come on, baby. You can do it on this end of the speedway. Come on.
What the f*** is that?
I couldn't, right? And I said, yeah, he goes, well, you're wrong again, buddy. I can skate my ass off.
So is he coming tonight?
No, you heard he heard there was he was going to go. He heard there was no alcohol.
Would you,
like,
what are you doing? What are you what the
I want to see Bo skater on.
Oh my God!
Leg, foot out, like
Idiot!
Is there drinking? I said, no.
He drank before.
I couldn't, right? And I said, yeah, he goes, well, you're wrong again, buddy. I can skate my ass off.
So is he coming tonight?
No, he heard there was he was going to go. He heard there was no alcohol.
Would you,
like,
what are you doing? What are you what the
I want to see Bo skater on.
Oh my God!
Leg, foot out, like
Idiot!
Is there drinking? I said, no.
Car crash can turn your life upside down. Kramer Law has been recognized as the best lawyer by U.S. News and by Orlando Magazine. Let Kramer...
That kind of also carries over with this. But then, yeah, you do a couple gigs where your mic goes out, this goes out, and then you're like,
Holy sh**. What the